Got thumbs up all around. Let's get it going. 3, 2, 1, go. In this match on the red side, we got Team 3631Z, the CHS Broken Gears. Their partners are 1492 W.A.S.A.B.I. Red Alliance, they're looking to make that delivery. Can they do it? Blue Alliance wins autonomous. Drivers take control in 3, 2, 1, go. Our Blue Alliance that won that autonomous mode. We have Team 2616D, Deus, Machina. And rounding out this match on that blue side, from Orlando, Florida, we have Team 5956B, Bangarang. Looks like one of the Red Alliance robots was having a little bit of trouble there, but W.A.S.A.B.I, they're back. They make their way over. They're in position. Mobile goal scored for the Red Alliance. Can they release? Oh, it looks like they're a little hung up. See if they can get out of that scoring zone as we get to 110. 110 left in the match. Both Blue Alliance robots working those mobile goals. 2616D, they're loaded up. They're starting to stack tall as we get down to 1 minute, under 1 minute left in the match. Blue Alliance, they're both loading up. Red Alliance 3631Z, they're trying to keep up. Looks like this W.A.S.A.B.I machine is a little hung up and a little stuck in that area as you get to 45 seconds. 2616D, I can hear them counting out. Are they going to try and go for the high score over here on our field with that tall stack? The number 11 for them. Up they go as we get down to 30 seconds. 30 seconds left in the match. Red Alliance managed to score another mobile goal as we get down to 26 seconds. Big stack for the Blue Alliance. They make their way over. They're looking to make that smooth delivery. Can they release? Clean release for the Blue Alliance. Big score as we get down to 10 seconds. 10 seconds left in the match. Red Alliance has managed to score all of their mobile goals, or has one in their position. As we get down to 5 seconds, can they manage to drop that one off? It's a 3 seconds to 2 seconds. 1 second time in the round.